Let's talk about AMZ.SPACE Profit Calculator. Now this handy tool will allow you to analyze your profits, your units sold, your orders, and your gross total sales. All this data is going to be pulled from My Products. You can find My Products on the drop-down menu on the left, where you enter your product-specific information, including your Amazon price, your profit, and your units available. Now, if we're looking at this main page, we can see in the top left here, we have a date range. We can select yesterday, this week, this month, and this year. To the right of that, we have a custom date range. And for the sake of this video, we have selected a 3-week custom date range from June 7th to June 21st. Now, if we're looking below that, the first 4 panels, we see the custom panel, the 7-day panel, the 14-day, and the 30-day panel. Each of these panels has a very similar layout. We can see the gross total sold. We can see the estimated profit from that. We can see the orders, the units, and the ROI, or return on investment. Below this, we have a graph. This graph is represented by 3 lines. The first line we're going to look at is this green line. That is our net profit. Above that, here we have the blue line, which is our total units. And above that, we have the purple line, which is our gross sales. Below this, we have a snapshot of units being sold on this account. Here we have 6 widgets. If we select next, we'll see the next 6 and the next 6, and so on. So for the sake of this video, let's take a look at an individual item and see how that differs. Now here we're on our individual product page. At the top we can see the ASIN and the product title. Below this we have 4 panels represented by total sales, full price sales, promo sales, PPC, refund, PPC unit, and stock. Let's first take a look at total sales, and again we're looking at the same date range on June 7th to June 21st, a 3-week range. We can see our gross sales figure of $7,258, our estimated profit on that of $973. We have 129 orders, 132 units, and an estimated ROI of 15.48%. To the right of that, we have our full price sales. Now these are sales that are not discounted by promo sales. We can see again our gross sales value, our estimated profit, our order quantity, our unit quantity, and our estimated ROI, or return on investment. Now looking at our promo sales, we can see our gross sales value, our estimated cost, our number of orders, units ordered, and estimated profit. To the right of that, looking at our PPC refunds, PPC per unit, and stock category, we can see our total value for our PPC campaign in the given date range. We can see our total value of refunds in a given date range. We can see our PPC per unit cost, which is our total PPC cost divided by our units sold, our units returned, and our total stock. Below this, we have a graph that looks very similar to the graph we saw in all products. Now here again we see the same green line representing net profit, blue line representing total products, and purple line representing gross sales value. Following below this, we have a graph of our PPC campaign. Now here we can see a green line is our PPC cost, and the purple line is our PPC clicks. It looks as though on June 18th we ended our PPC campaign, as we don't have any data in this range. To the right of that, we have a table with our PPC campaign. Now we have date, clicks, and total amount paid. Below this, we have a table of our order refunds, including Amazon order ID, refund date, refund quantity, and refund amount. To the right of this, we have what would potentially be a table of keyword tracking to track your keywords in relation to your PPC campaign. Below this, we have our orders by date. To the right of that, we have our orders by most recent, or our newest orders. And that wraps up Profit Calculator by AMZ.SPACE.